I left a note last night for Skye to not wake me because we are sharing a room and I like having my time to just kind of sleep in and do the things that I want. And Skye's the complete opposite. She, as soon as she's up, she wants everybody up around her. And I happened to lose my wallet in the facilities. It was returned and like nothing was missing. They call and check on me and make sure everything was there, but they also just graced me with a nice birthday tray that had wine. It had a few chocolate chip cookies, and then they had some fruit. And then I had a bottle of Cabernet. I'm considering taking it home. I don't want to drink it here. I don't have a wine stopper because I'm definitely not drinking a whole bottle in one night. I just wanted to do a review for yesterday just because I decided to be more present in the moment. For the most part, it was a good day. After we did breakfast, we went to Shinwha World. We came at the perfect time. There is an overcast, but that's a good thing because it's not raining and it's a bit humid, but it's not hot. So we're in the Marriott of the Shinwha World resort. And it was actually like walking distance from our room to Shinwha World. We decided to get lunch there at Shinwha World. It was edible, right? It wasn't the best, but it was good. And I was happy to like eat a salad because Koreans don't really eat that many vegetables. They'll give you like a little dabble. We were supposed to go to the water park. We took a detour. Instead of going to the theme park and paying a separate entrance, we just decided to take part in going to the free pool. Come on in. All right, so tell about your experience at the pool. So Skye got a floaty. Didn't you blow the floaty up? Mm-hmm. Okay, then what?
Then I used it and I was kind of swimming. And then we went to the big pool and it was, you didn't like it that much.
A big pool? What's the big pool? Because the big pool, I'm thinking the big pool is outside.
Indoor pool.
Okay, so the indoor pool, it was very humid in there. It was already hot. Okay, girl. So we came back, had a little bit of a girls' night in where we took showers, had some face masks on, put on some movies, and then we actually ordered dinner into like in-room service. Maxing and relaxing, for real. That's basically how our day was, how it ended. And today is day 3. So I feel like I'm going to regret this, but instead of me getting souvenirs, we got food to try. So this feels like Twizzlers, a mandarin orange juice that we're gonna try, which I hear is amazing here in Jeju. We also grabbed a bag of sweet potato chips, which they're pretty good. They are different, kind of sticky, but they're fresh, and that's why I kind of gravitated toward. Look at you, girl. And then what's got eating out here? Good old Fritos, trusty, dusty, salty. Everything is good. Okay, sweet potato chips, popping. The halabong juice, on point. This They felt like Twizzlers. I don't know what they are though. If you all have seen this before, please let me know. Twizzlers ain't this dry, yo. Like, I'm not feeling them. What would this vlog be without me pulling randomly to the side of the road just to take in the beauty here in Jeju? Of this place is it's very picturesque, very IG, Instagram, Facebook friendly, but there's honestly to me not really an experience. There's a tea lounge, you can shop, you can buy ice cream or a small snack at a cafe, but I honestly thought it was going to be a little bit more of an experience. Maybe we just came late and there is some and we just weren't able to find that out. I expected a little bit more. It's very pretty though. Would I come back? Probably not, but I'm glad I did come. So yeah.